just feel so light and happy now na I've unloaded a lot of negativities. Yun nga, iba pala talaga na you look your mindset. Diba, ang mindset mo, you choose to do good and you choose to transform anything negative into something positive. So mindset lang talaga. Inspiration, of course, the people who have been with me since day one. Yung mga sincere talaga na since nagsimula ako hanggang ngayon. Of course, yung Tribe of Jen, yung Team Jen Modela, yung Mad Creatives, especially yan si Ate Flor, na I'm sure sikat na sikat yan. Yung aking nagsimula as my PA, and now she handles everything for me now. These are the people. I see Therese, who started as a fan when she was 9 years old. Nanonood siya ng concert ko. That was one of her first concerts. Ayan siya. And she decided to get into film because one of her dreams was to just shoot a music video of me. And then now she takes all my videos, all my vlogs, everything. She follows me around, my reels, and she's part of Mad Creatives now. So,
And how old is she na?
she's 75. No,
29?
29 na
So,
siya.
20 years na siya
Yes.
nakasuporta sa'yo.
Oo,
Grabe.
20 years na rin. Si Ate Flor, ganun din. She just met me in the hallway of ABS doing ASAP. Because dati wala akong assistant. I would bring my stuff and she would just meet me and get my things and help me out. So these are the people who saw me since step one. And these are the kinds of people na they're worth working hard for. Na parang kung gusto mo na mag-give up, isipin mo na yung mga tao na hindi na-give up sa'yo. So, yun ang mga tao talaga na bibigay inspirasyon sa akin.
Yet last question. Birthday wish.
Birthday wish, gusto kong tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung career ko as a singer, as a performer, and more opportunities, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world. I feel that I still have a lot to give. So, ayun, pinipray ko lagi na healthy ako. And, the people around me, especially my family, my parents, na, kasi kung wala tong mga tao to, I wouldn't have the drive. So, yun yung pinaka-dream ko and my wish is to just conquer more opportunities na sana mas madami pang gawin.
Okay, thank you and advance.
Thank you po.